Well, looks like we got another little unexpected treat. Yeah. I like this. 1973 Malibu. Yep. Two-door. Yeah. Let's check this one out, man. I particularly like it in the 73 version. I like the taillights. I'm not sure if they go from 74 on, but I like the taillights on these. And as far as AC, this was the last year that they used the POA valve. But I'm sure nobody cares about that. Yeah, look at that. The front end doesn't look too bad, does it? I mean, you know, grill's got a little bit of issues right there. Bumper looks all right, you know. Those bezels look okay. The trim looks all right. Missing the ornament up there. Hood looks to be okay. Yeah, that hood looks to be, I think it looks okay. Obviously by the emblem there, you can see the badge there, 350. But is it still in the car? We gotta match a set of these hubcaps? I don't know. Let's see, Malibu, two-door. Yeah. I run the four doors often. But these here, the two doors, man, you don't see them too often in the yards. But she's got some rust to her, as you can see. She does. And she was a vinyl top car. See, I like these tail lights on these right here. Let's see if I can scoop back. She got a dent here, an old one, you can tell. Yeah, that wasn't caused by the yard. Chuck Fairbanks. Geo. DeSoto. How's that? That bumper. Looks good. I think, I want to say it looks alright. Yeah. I don't think I gotta mention about the roof, right? Yeah. It's that vinyl top action right there. Yes, sir. I think last on the road, 2000, yeah, 95. Can y'all see that VIN? I don't know if y'all can see that VIN. But I see, in case you can't see it, 1D37H. It's at 3R449124. Man, this sucks trying to. Anyways, the windshield looks good. I think all the glass might be good on this car. I think it is. I think it is. Oh, she still rolls nice. Yeah. This bumper, that issue right there, that's the yard, that's forklifts. And I think she is missing one of the hubcaps. Darn it. Oh yeah. She had the keys. I like these. The red on them like that. It's cool. I bet people be looking for this trim. Yeah, it's got all of it too. What could be in the trunk? Whew, nothing but rust. Yep. Nothing in there. No. Speaker's still there. I don't know if they're original. This deck lid. Yeah, I'd say the deck lid probably good. Yeah. No hail damage either. No dents that I can see. No. Back glass is good. Like I said, all glass is good on this car. How's that door? Ooh, that's a heavy door. That is a heavy door. Got the trim on the bottom of this one. Yeah, that trim looks good too. Look at that. It's nice trim. Yeah, I'd say so. A good trim there. Inside, door panel is moldy, and I'm willing to bet this car was sitting in some water. Flooded to right about here, maybe right around this area, I think, possibly. I don't think she went that high. I mean, much higher than that, but I could be wrong. Your tunes. Oh, we got 8-track. Stereo 8. Yeah. In the back. It's like something burned back there. Crap. Can you believe the headliner looks... Oh, man. One little issue there. But other than that, the headliner's still there. Nothing in the glove box. Glove box door. Oh, here's the rear view mirror. The dash is cracked. It's going the other way. This door. Built of 273. No tilt. Got a sweep speedometer here. And check that out, man. No mileage on this thing. It's brand spanking new. I don't think so. Come on. Ooh. All right, man. That's gonna do it for the interior. I'm gonna see if I can look underneath real quick, just to see. Especially since there's like a spot right here where it's like it's low. Probably be able to see something. All right. Oh crap! Let me pick up my glasses. Can't see much, right? Like she's been sitting. I don't know what you guys can see. I can't see much. I'm gonna take y'all word for it. Whew. That fender looks good though. That one there. I didn't mention it already. Now, under the hood, what do we still got the original? Come on. Yep. Got some rodents been living in it. You know, making their little home. Appears to be all there. Looks to be all. Look at that. What did I say? It's original factory fill coolant. What's that? Provides freezing protection to 20. It's at negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Nice. I have something here. Do I have anything here? Probably. There it is. 8/16 of 72. I guess that's when it was printed. Cool. And over here, 352 barrel. '73. It's like the original compressor. Yeah, it is. Original Frigidaire. Man, sweating bolinas. Last year of the POA, 1973. At least on GM's, not on Ford. Oh, they started using it after Ford did, but I bet that thing's still good. Only sucks is this place, man. They can tend to be pretty expensive. That's why I didn't get the. If you notice, that Skylark's still sitting there. I thought it'd be crushed by now. The van I did get crushed though. Well, what else? What else? Nothing much else to say about it. It's all there. Just me. Still has oil in it, man. I bet this thing still runs, man. I bet it does. A couple of guys say, hey, you should try to turn these cars on. I can't do that here. They'd catch a fit. Big time. What does that say? Duratune. That says, no, Duramag. Duratune, Duramag. Constant voltage. Nice. Alright, man. It's gonna do her. Thought this was pretty cool. I'm not gonna be able to lower this hood, so she's gonna stay just like that. At least for now. I can't close it with one hand, so there it is. What do y'all think? I liked it. That was cool. Alright, man. On to the next one.